Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to build an F22 Raptor. The first thing that you're going to need is actually a 3x3 and it has to be flat. That's where all the pieces are going to be connecting, like the wings and the fuselage. So you're going to put that down, then you're going to grab a 1x4, you're going to you're going to grab a 1x3, and that is for the 1x3 is to hold the cockpit piece, and the 1x4 is, and the flat pieces like here are actually for the bottom of the fuselage. So then you're going to connect them, make sure it's right in the middle, like that. Then you have this, and then you're going to grab. You can use either color. I couldn't really find another black one to go with the Air Force thing. So you can grab a black, or you can grab a gray or a white if you have any of those pieces. And you're going to grab a 1x4 tile piece and 1x1 square stud. You're going to stick those two together. It has to be on the end, the stud. Then you're going to do that. And it looks like this now. Then you're going to do the same on the other wing, and you're just going to stick both of them on, except you're going to use different pieces for either wing. And then to do the back, of the thing, the fuselage, this will hold the horizontals and vertical stabilizers. You're going to need. This is the back for the fuselage. So for step 1, you're going to grab 2x3. You're going to put that down. Then you're going to grab 2 of these pieces. And you're going to stack them up like that. Then you're going to flip this over. And then you're going to put 2 studs. They can be any color. They can be black, they can be gray, but I couldn't find any black or gray, so I'm just using a green one and a glow-in-the-dark stud. Then you're going to stick that on the back. And then after that, you're going to need a 1x4 white tile, and then you stick it on. Except you have to leave some of it, a stud, on the back to connect the exhaust. Then we're going to stick the cockpit on. You can use black pieces, except I'm just using a clear one. You're going to need a 1x2 and a clear slanted piece. It can be any color. It can be white, it can be black, it can even be different colors. Exhaust, you're going to grab another piece like this, and then the LEGO levers, the connection for it to stick it on a stud. You're gonna need you're gonna pull the lever bit out. You need to pull them out of 2 levers, and then you stick the piece back on. You stick the piece on. Stick those two together. Hang on, I just broke the thing. Then you have this, okay? Now this is the part where it gets tricky because there's a lot of pieces on this. You're gonna need a hinge piece like this, a 1x2 hinge piece. You're gonna need a 1x2 double claw, and you're gonna need a 1x3 triangular piece, okay? Then you're going to stick these all together. Right. Then you have that. And then for the stabilizer that just goes across. So you use a hinge for that. But you don't have to use a hinge. You can use like a 2x2 flat piece. Then you're gonna stick these on, and then you're going to need a 1x2. It's because if you just put it straight on without the 1x2, it actually will just not, go on properly. Some of it will just like have a gap in it. You're going to stick those pieces on, and then you're going to do the same on the other side. You're going to stretchen them up, and there you have an F22 Raptor.
Show me.
The exhaust, the cockpit. The cockpit can easily come out, but don't mind that. Yeah, the machine guns are here. And you can even add landing gear with a LEGO person's hand, but you could also use a piece like this. I just found a green stud, so I put it on, but you're supposed to use black. Anyways, see you in the next video, and please like and subscribe. Bye.